Let's talk about rear seat entertainment. Rear seat entertainment is a great upgrade for any vehicle interior. Today, we've got this stunning Bentley Bentayga to help me show you why you need one of these systems. The rear screens on this Bentley Bentayga look fantastic, and we pride ourselves on being able to fit them to any vehicle to a manufacturer looking standard. So with that being said, let's take a look. So let's talk a little bit about the device itself. Situated on the headrest in front, there's a 12.4-inch screen. It is a 4K in resolution, so you get a lovely crisp image. It's touchscreen to operate for ease of use, and they can either be independently or dual controlled, so you're not going to have any arguments about whether you're watching Match of the Day or Love Island. This system is an Android-based system with the pre-installed applications such as Netflix, YouTube, Prime, Facebook. It makes streaming your favourite movies or browsing the web a breeze. Not to mention, you can also connect this device to your hotspot or the car's Wi-Fi router itself. We tried to make these systems look like they were a factory spec option by adding the logo when you turn on the device and matching the user interface to what you would expect in that manufacturer of car. Also, another little twist that we've done is the backlight on the system itself, giving a nice little modern touch to the device. There we have it then, the Bentley Bentayga finished and awaiting collection in the handover bay. I did mention this is an enhancement we can do to a wide range of vehicles, so if it's something that interests you, don't hesitate to get in touch. And also, if you could drop a like, comment and share on the video, that helps us out a bunch, so I'd appreciate that. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.